Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that most of us deal with, but rarely know how to fix. Duplicate files. You know what I'm talking about. Those endless copies of the same photos, documents, or music files that clutter up our computers, slow things down, and waste space. If you're struggling to free up storage, or just want a more organized file system, removing duplicate files can make a world of difference. So, let's dive into how you can find and remove these duplicates easily and safely. First up, why do duplicate files even matter? Beyond taking up valuable space, duplicates make it hard to find the files you actually need. They clutter up your folders, leading to disorganization and slowing down your computer's performance. Plus, if you're using a cloud service with limited storage, duplicates can eat into your space and may even cost you extra money if you're paying for storage upgrades. So, how can we find these duplicates? Manual searching is pretty much out of the question. It's time-consuming and almost impossible with large amounts of files. Instead, we can rely on dedicated tools and software designed to do the job for us. For Windows users, there are great programs like CCleaner, Duplicate Cleaner, and Easy Duplicate Finder. These tools scan your hard drive, locate duplicate files, and provide a list of the copies, making it easy for you to decide what to keep and what to delete. Mac users aren't left out either. Apps like Gemini 2 and Dupaguru offer similar features and work just as effectively on macOS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Drop a comment below if you have any questions.